Hi there, in this video you'll learn how to apply Gadgetshieldz skin on your Nothing ear stick. For installation, you'll need some patience and a hairdryer, so grab one. Depending on your order, the elements of your Nothing ear stick skins should arrive like this. Let's start with the full fit skin application. Start by cleaning your device free of dust and fingerprints using the microfiber cloth. Remove the top skin from the 3M sheet, and start applying it by aligning the skin with the charging port and power button. If you notice an error in alignment, gently remove the skin without stretching it and try again until perfectly aligned. Next, remove the rotator skin from the 3M sheet and start applying as shown. For a perfect fit, align the skin with the top edge. Apply heat to the skinned areas and rub with the microfiber cloth to secure it in place. Let's move to the bottom skin now. Remove the skin from the 3M sheet and start applying it while aligning it with the edges as shown. If you notice an error in alignment, gently remove the skin and reapply until perfect. It's time to skin the body now. Remove the skin from the 3M sheet and reattach it as shown. Start aligning the skin along the center cutout, and gently roll it around the body until both corners align with each other. If you notice an error in alignment, gently remove the skin and reapply until perfect. Heat all the skinned parts, and rub with the microfiber cloth to ensure the skin is stuck down firmly. Let's move on to the base skin. Remove the skin from the 3M sheet and start applying. Also, ensure all the edges are aligned as shown. In case of any misalignment, the skin will disrupt smooth rotation. At this point, simply remove the skin gently and reapply until it fits perfectly. Apply heat to the base skin and press it down firmly with the cloth. Done. Perfectly applied full fit and base skin for Nothing ear stick. For more such exciting skins for Nothing ear stick, visit our website, Gadgetshieldz.com. For new launches and upcoming videos, subscribe to our social media channels.